Let's read the problem. What is the height from the lowest point inside a hollow sphere of radius r, where a particle can remain stationary? The coefficient of friction between the sphere and the particle is 1 by root 3. Here I have already drawn the picture. It is a sphere of radius small r. O is the center and this is small radius small r, and OA also r. The particle at the point C, it remains stationary and it attains a height AB. From the lowest point A, this height is h. Then OB equal to r minus h. The particle weight mg acts vertically downward, and this is mg. The surface gives a reaction, that is normal reaction, capital N. Now we resolve the weight into two components. One is along the radius and the other is along the tangent. Now from the geometry of the figure, this angle is theta, and the component, this is mg cos theta and this is mg sin theta. Here the component mg cos theta is balanced by the normal reaction N. Therefore we can write N equal to mg cos theta. The other component mg sin theta pulls the particle downward, but the friction between the surface of the hollow sphere and the particle are balanced at the highest point. This is force of friction. When the particle has a tendency to slide downward along the curved surface of the hollow sphere, at the point C, the friction of force acts just opposite to the component mg sin theta. At highest point, this frictional force F is the maximum frictional force, that is, it is limiting friction. As the particle remains stationary at the point C, we can write F equal to mg sin theta. Now we know from the theory of friction, frictional force can be written as mu into N, and this is equal to mg sin theta. We substitute the value of N, that is mg cos theta equal to mg sin theta, and from this equation we get tan theta equal to mu. Tan theta equal to mu. Now we have to find out the height AB equal to h. So from triangle BOC we get cos theta. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Here OB equal to base and OC hypotenuse. Value of OB equal to R minus H and OC equal to radius of the sphere. Hence R minus H equal to R cos theta, and this gives H equal to R into 1 minus cos theta. We have already get tan theta equal to mu. This is equation 1. From this equation we have to find out cos theta. How to find out? Just we have to draw a right angle triangle. Say this angle is theta. Here we see that tan theta equal to mu, that is tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. Here perpendicular mu, here we take mu and base is 1. Then hypotenuse mu square minus 1. Then what is the value of cos theta? Here cos theta equal to 1 by root over mu square plus 1. Now here we substitute 1 minus cos theta equal to 1 by root over mu square minus 1. Now we simplify this expression. Here 1 minus 1 by, it is given that coefficient of friction mu equal to 1 by root 3. Here mu square, that is 1 by 3 minus 1. We have to further simplify. 1 minus, this is mu square plus 1. So mu square plus 1, and this gives 1 by under root 4 by 3. Then root 3 by 2. R minus R into 1 minus, then we get 2 minus root 3 by 2 equal to R into 2 minus 1.732 by 2, and this gives our final result 0.134 into R. This is our height H. Therefore H equal to 0.134 into R.